What is up, Goon Squad? Another day here. We're actually going to the junkyard right now. We may run into Hector, the parts collector. Hopefully we run into him, good buddy of mine. We're gonna go see if we can find a seal for that glass, that rear hardtop glass. Hopefully we can, so we can install that glass and it won't be as cold. Because the weather is a bit funky today. It's kind of bipolar.
Put your seatbelt on.
Safety first. But we really want to get that glass fixed so we don't have to worry about the weather or the rain getting into it. So we're gonna try to get that fixed. Hopefully we can put that glass in. Look at this, chopped in half.
It's a good front clip for an F-150.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, that's the JK. Got the JK, TJ. One thing that sucks about coming here after a rainy day, the mud. I mean, it's not too bad today though, so no worries. I loves this place. Hopefully this thing has a seal on it.
Yep.
It does?
Hector, the parts collector.
You hear somebody?
Hey, Hector.
Hey, amigo, what's up, man? What you working on? What are you looking for? You sleeping?
Done already.
Was you really sleeping? It's all right. Your boss doesn't watch this.
Okay, thank you.
This is for YouTube.
Okay.
Hey, everybody misses you on YouTube.
Really? Really? I have problems.
What's the problem?
I'm not sure it is or no. I'm looking suspension for. You see somebody put wrong one over here. Okay, thank you.
Say something for the people.
People don't know me. Yeah, I know Guatemala. My from is
Mexico?
no, Georgia. I born here.
You was born in Georgia?
I'm born.
All right, man. Take care. Did you find what you needed?
Yeah, but I need that speaker.
That subwoofer?
That's a seal. Hopefully we can reuse it. I'm sure we can.
Oh yeah, we'd have to reuse it. Was that dude sleeping in there?
Yeah.
Was he really? So while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and take this sub, because we are missing a subwoofer. Gotta loosen it up, a few bolts. Look what I just found. Some triple tip grub. Who wants some of that? You find a lot of cool stuff here at the junkyard. Random stuff. It's another good thing about coming here. It's just an interesting journey, I guess, as you walk through the unknown of a junkyard. Here we go. Now we just gotta go pay for it. I'll throw that in the Jeep. Just got the sub. We just come across this new Corvette here. Whew! Biohazard, man. This thing is demolished.
What's good?
What's good? I don't know. What's good? You tell me what's good.
Somebody done took the center console. This seats are pretty good. They're just a little bit filthy. They can be cleaned up.
Them are valuable seats. I mean, he shouldn't be letting them go to waste like that.
Oh, he don't care. Paddle shifters.
This is a Stingray.
It is. Somebody took.
It's got the badges are off of it.
I'd like to pop that hood, but
Let me see that badge.
yeah,
Stingray. Got the
That's
Corvette
nice
brakes on it. I wonder if they're in the rear. Yep, rear too.
Yeah, it is a Stingray.
Thing is nice, man. Too bad it's in this condition here.
Look at that fiberglass, man.
Fiberglass doors.
Aluminum inside.
That's pretty neat. Super lightweight. Any good panels here? Oh, let's check out this engine.
The hood is good, but engine it won't open. I think it's an LS3.
But you can tell it got nasty in here though. Maybe we'll get one of these in the future.
Maybe.
Something with a supercharger though. Alright, so we just picked up the subwoofer. Where is it at? It's somewhere back there. It's a little bit cracked, but we found the pieces that were broken. So we're gonna solder it together. I think it's gonna work great. We also got the seal for the window glass. So we're gonna go ahead and slap that glass on it. So it's gonna be nice and sealed. So we can't wait to do that. Right now we are pulling up to AutoZone to get some paint, because we also want to paint the rims and the frame and all that other good stuff to make it look brand new underneath on the chassis. The thing is clean.
Alright, we're gonna go with the Rust-Oleum.
Yep, the stuff that bonds to
Superior coverage and durability.
that's the stuff. That's what we're gonna get right there, the semi-gloss. All right, so now we're gonna start removing this old seal. There's a bunch of little pieces of glass there.
Gotta watch your eyes, it shoots.
Yeah, I might want to wear some gloves for that. We're gonna have to carefully remove that off the flare. Don't want to scratch it. All right, folks, so I was just wearing my safety glasses because the glass was flying all over the place as we were taking it out. But we got all the rubber seal cut out and all the old glass cut out. We're about getting ready to throw some new window weld, but first we gotta make sure we tint this rear glass so it's clear. So we do have some tint.
I think this is it. This is the same color.
Nice,
Pretty dark. Let's tint it.
I've never tinted something before, but he has, so let's see if he knows what he's doing.
Let's see if I remember.
It should be pretty easy. Don't you use water?
Simple, especially on a window like this. It's already out.
So this is the glass that we got. It's clear. So we just cleaned up this edge here with the razor blade. Now we're using these glass cleaner wipes to get all that grease and grime off of it. What do you got in here? Just soap and water?
Soap and water, and I got like this little squeegee.
Is that the noise it makes?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not a window tinter, but
Pretty sure.
I try to be.
It seems to be working. If you guys out there that know how to tint stuff, got any comments on what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, let us know.
Well, I'll probably have this tinted by the time they tell me.
No, I know, but I'm just saying,
Yeah, true.
any extra tips.
All right, now I'm gonna cut it.
Oh yeah, we just wiped it down a little bit and that tint turned out pretty dang good. It's not that dark, but I guess it'll get darker once you put
When
it
you put it on, yeah.
on the vehicle, yeah. Tinting is not that hard now, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean,
on this, it's not
yeah,
hard. But
for like a higher end vehicle, yeah, you got to get it perfect. I mean, it's not 100% perfect.
what y'all think, boys?
Any tips on how to make it 100% better?
I mean, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm not gonna complain.
Right.
See how it looks.
Yep, that's pretty dang close. I love it. So we're heating up this window weld.
It's gonna make it come out a lot smoother and faster.
Got our surface cleaned up. And that's it for the window weld. So this turned out pretty dang good. Everything seated down perfectly. The seal went in great. So we're happy with that. The tint matched up great. Looks a lot better with that glass in. Tinted just the exact same color. Clean. All right, so we're done with all the window tinting. Now we gotta try to fix this subwoofer that was broken. We found the little pieces. This was at the junkyard, so he gave us a great deal on it. And we're gonna solder it back up and we're gonna throw it into the Jeep. Hopefully it works and nothing rattles around.
Yeah, we might need a new speaker though.
Got a little bit of super glue here. Gorilla Glue versus the Chinese brand. This is why I want you to wear gloves whenever you're using super glue or anything of that sort. Are they stuck together?
They're stuck. I'm gonna need to cut it.
Really? You can't just open them up?
It hurts.
Free at last. Alright, let's finish this up. Got it soldered up, and while he's gonna be soldering that, he's gonna finish it up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Jeep into that spot right there. And we're gonna start taking the wheels off of it and start scuffing them down and sanding them, getting them ready for paint. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up the front end, take off the front wheels, set it up on jack stands, and also set up the rear end on jack stands and take off all the wheels. So I'm probably just gonna leave it like that. 2 jack stands up front and just the jack on the rear diff. So I think that'll be fine. It's not like we're gonna be crawling under it or anything. We're probably gonna knock that out right there. I don't really like that. So we are also gonna clean up this frame here a little bit. Gonna throw some paint on it, gonna scuff it. For the most part, this frame does not have much rust on it. What do you say, buddy? It's real oily from when the seals were leaking. Now we just gotta clean it up, scuff it up, throw some new paint on it, and go ahead and pop the weights off. And we're gonna sand it down. And we will get them rebalanced eventually once we're done painting them. They're not that bad, they're just a little dirty. There's no actual corrosion to them. 600 grit, and we're gonna wet sand them. I think that'll be the fastest method with this scenario that we got here. It's not corroded, but it is slightly filthy and it's a little bit faded, so it's not too rough. So a 600 grit with some water will definitely get the job done for us. So it sanded down pretty well. What, cat? All right, so what I was saying is it sanded down pretty smooth. We're not gonna just rattle can them. We're actually gonna use a spray gun, and we have some black lacquer and we may even throw clear coat. So we got this one done. We got 2 of them done. One's already rolled into the paint booth, or the paint room, if you will, and we got 2 more here. So what do you call this, a paint booth or a paint room or a paint tent?
This is just a paint tent for now.
Right, come here. Sit down. All right guys, back to business here. So we're probably gonna wait to paint the rims till tomorrow because it is gonna be a little bit warmer. Right now the weather is a bit chilly and breezy, so the paint's not gonna stick as well, and we also do want to throw clear coat, so that'll make it a lot better if the weather's warmer. We're gonna go ahead and prep this frame here, scuff everything we can. We are also gonna undercoat the wheel wells. All right guys, so we're actually not gonna go ahead and scuff it because we noticed a bunch of grime from when the seals were bad. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the pressure washer, grab some Purple Power, some degreaser, some very strong stuff, degrease everything underneath on the chassis and the frame there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and grab the power washer, the pressure washer out, and go ahead and hit everything really good, make sure we get all that grime, and it'll make it a lot easier for us to scuff it and prep it for paint, which will allow us to have good adhesion with the paint. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then probably tomorrow we'll be back out here. Let's grab the pressure washer and get that done. All right, that's about it for today. We got that thing cleaned up, all that grime off of it, all that nasty junk and crap is off of it. So tomorrow when everything is dry, the rims are gonna get painted with some clear coat. It's gonna be awesome, dude. That Jeep, I don't know what we're gonna do to that Jeep, but I mean, it's looking clean. We're gonna do something. Yeah, so our main focus tomorrow will be to paint that frame under there, undercoat the wheel wells, and also paint the rims to make it look fresh. And then we'll probably focus on detailing that interior a little bit more and installing that subwoofer and speaker. So we'll see you tomorrow.